Good morning, children. Welcome back to School at Home program. Yesterday we have completed Storied House Part 1. That I have divided in like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4 parts are Part 1. Now we will move with the Storied House Part 2. Okay, children. Yeah, take out your page number 141. The news that Bayaji was building a storied house spread like a cry from the rooftops. That means everyone noticed that the Bayaji was building a storied house, and the cry from the rooftops nothing but like public announcement or fast sound reaching, right? Okay, there was only one storied house in the village, and that belonged to Kundiba Patil. See, before that there is only one storied house. Whose house that is? Patil house. Who is that? Patil Kundiba Patil. That Bayaji an untouchable creature. Yes, you know that Bayaji belongs to untouchable, right? Dalit. That means Dalit. Should think of a rival storied house was too much for Kundiba to bear. What do you mean by challenging? So Kundiba was challenging to the Bayaji that how he will construct a storied house, we will see. Others also murmured that the untouchables were forgetting their positions. Even the other people were also thinking in the same manner that he belongs to a, he is untouchable and he forgot his position. Now he was building a storied house. Everyone were speaking or murmuring each other that untouchable is constructing a storied house. Work on the foundation has started. The work on the foundation was started. Dattaram Wardar was given the contract of construction. To whom he gave the order contract? To Dattaram Wardar. Listen, there is only one storied house, that is Kondiba Patil. Kondiba Patil was challenging the Bayaji that he cannot construct a storied house. The work was in progress, the work was started, and he gave the contract to Dattaram Wardar. The foundation stretches were filled with mud. Stretches nothing but ditches dug in the ground. Okay, were filled with mud, bits of stones and other fillings. That you know, children, mud, stone and other fillings are very important. Yes. Work progressed with speed. One day Bayaji saw Kundiba coming towards him and greeted him. It's with your blessings that I have ventured on this storied house. One day what happened here? The foundation stretches were that you know. One day Bayaji saw Kondiba coming. Bayaji saw Kondiba was coming towards him and greeted him. Bayaji greeted the Kundiba and he was saying that it your blessing. With that I am ventured a storied house. And he ventured on this storied house, nothing but took the risk of this storied house. Baiju, you shouldn't lose your head simply because you have set aside some money. Listen here, head nothing but control the emotions. Okay, don't take the risk. Aside some means collected. You were saying that Baiju, you were collected little amount and you should stop. You should be happy with that amount, but you should not think more than that. Who was saying all this? Kundiba. He is addressing him. Do you aspire to an equal status with us by building this house? Now he was questioning to him that you are a Dalit, you are a untouchable. By earning this amount, you are feeling that you are equal to us, or else by building this storied house, you are thinking that you are equal to us. The poor should remain content with their cottage, understand. See, he was saying that the poor should remain happy with whatever you had, but you should not think more than necessary. Kondiba remarked rather sharply. He was saying this to Baji rudely. No, Patil, please don't misunderstand me. See, Baji was saying to Patil that don't misunderstand me. Bayaji was a little dizzy with nervousness. He was unconscious with the nervousness. He was saying to Patil, no, 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 it's not like that. How do you say that one should keep to one's position? You shouldn't let a little money turn your head. Turn your head, underline this, turn your head, cause to become conceited or excessively proud of oneself. How do you say that? One should keep to one's position. You shouldn't let a little money turn your head. I only wish to build a shelter for my family. Then I shall be free to breathe my last. Baji answered. He was saying that till my death, only I had a dream that to build a house or to give a shelter to my family. That's it. Later on, I'll die. I'll die happily. That was the Bayaji's aim. Who says you shouldn't have a house? You can have a small house with three convenient portions, a veranda in the front and at the back and the living section in the middle. Why spend unnecessarily on storied house? Patil gave his counsel. See what happened here? The Patil was saying to Bayaji that I'm not saying not to construct the house. You can construct it like three convenient portions. One is veranda in the front and back, living section, and the middle living section in the middle. And don't spend unnecessarily for the storied house. He was giving the suggestion to Bayaji. Patil gave his counsel. He was giving the counseling to the Bayaji not to construct the storied house. Instead of storied house, he was saying to construct him three convenient portions. No, but Bayaji fluttered. Fluttered nothing but spoke in hesitating manner. No, 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 it's not like that. You may go in for a storied house only if you don't wish to stay in this village. Now, see, the Patil was again, he was saying, he was scolding like, if you want to construct a storied house, you cannot live further. I hope you know what I mean. Kundiba shot out as a warning and walked away. Other roofings in the village threatened Bayaji in a similar manner. See, Kundiba was giving, like he was saying that if you construct, you cannot live in the same village. So stop constructing. And in the same manner, the others, the people who are living, they were also saying same thing like Kundiba. Out of fear, Bayaji had to be abandoned plans for the storied house. Out of fear, he gave the plan for the storied house, or he took the plan for the storied house. The conventional three-portion house was taken up. Taken up means started up. The conventional three-portion house was started up. Work was resumed and the walls rose rapidly. Walls rose rapidly means quickly here. The plan was ready to start the storied house. The conventional three-portion house was taken up. Taken up means started. Work was resumed. Work was resumed means began. And the walls rose rapidly. Rapidly means quickly. The middle portion was a little elevated. Elevated means high. And the small first-storied house fixed up there with a wooden flooring. This part could be reached by stairs rising from the kitchen. That means the steps are there from the kitchen. No one could guess from outside that there was this first story to the house. Bayaji had to make the best of the things. See, Bayaji got the plan. If he keep the steps out of the room, that everyone can notice that they are building a storied house. From inside, what he decided, now outside no one can guess that it is a storied house. So for that reason he kept the steps in the kitchen. The house was complete and the traditional housewarming ceremony was planned. The house was completed and ceremony nothing but the function. They want to do the function. They invited all the people who were living in the villages, and the village elders by convention could not be invited to a meal or refreshment. The village elders by convention could not be invited to a meal or refreshment. So they were invited to the ceremonial pan supari. Bayaji put up a fine pandal. Pandal means tent here in front of the house. His sons work hard for 2 full days on the decorations. Listen here. They want to invite all the people and the official peoples also. And the village elders by convention could not. The village elders till now they did not give any meal or refreshment. But here he is untouchable even though he is giving. He was celebrating the function and he want to give the others like pan supari and also put up a tent in front of the house. His sons worked hard for 2 full days on the decoration. His sons were worked hard for 2 full days for decoration. Relatives started arriving. Relatives were arrived. Well-known devotional singers Kadiga Gungar Bua, Parsu Bua, Kalekar Bua, Master Jija Bua, Vitoba of Badogan came with their troops. People looked forward with delight to the forthcoming contest among the various troops. Yeah, children will continue this part tomorrow. Till that, please go through the lesson and identify the punctuation marks. That is very important. And next thing is, please don't forget to keep like and subscribe. Thank you.